By popular demand, we now offer exterior home audits for all of our homeowners. Why do we do this? Because usually by the time we get the call, the damage has gone on far too long and is now costly repair for the homeowner. By catching the problem, like exposed wood, before it starts to rot, we can help maintain the home's original integrity and save the homeowner money all in one full sweep. So how much is this? Each audit costs a nominal fee of $199, and we have a qualified technician doing the walkthrough. And the beautiful part about that is that you get a $100 credit if you use CenterBeam. They're usually on premise for an hour and a half and will provide the homeowner with a list of suggestions and things that were found. The end goal is to keep the home and investment naturally healthy. Is this important? By all means, yes. Jacksonville's weather of extreme moist heat mixed with afternoon downpours or droughts is naturally rough on all exteriors. So what do you get? You will get your very own technician to walk through your property and produce a report of any noticeable visual repairs that need to be done. So what will they do? They will inspect all exterior areas on windows, doors, siding, fascia, porches, and railings. The end goal is to know everything that needs attention, especially those items that need immediate repairs. So, will you get an estimate? Of course. They will also go ahead and create a take-off of time and materials needed to repair any found issues, and you will be sent a cost estimate of repair within the same week. So what next? Once you receive your estimate repair, you can then either schedule it with CenterBeam for repair or simply know what's going wrong with your house and take our suggestions to repair it yourself. Either way, we're just happy that the home is being taken care of. So get on schedule today by filling out the form below. Is this important? I don't even know that word. Is this important? By all means, yes. Is this important? By all means, yes. I don't know where I'm starting. Money on mine. Go ahead. Who will you? What do you get? You will get. Okay, so I had a breath. Well, I can't question it while I'm sending it. Fascia. Porches. He will also go. They're not. He's. Oh, you have a bird feeder.